Xiaomi 13 Ultra has been officially unveiled with the headline attraction of the variable aperture main camera alongside with many god level cameras. It seems like a upgraded Xiaomi 13 Pro. The 13 Ultra offers a plethora of hardware additions. The one in Sony IMX 989 main camera sensor now has variable aperture between f1.9 and f4.0. Xiaomi is not the first phone. Samsung introduced it, but they discontinued it after the S10. Then Sony introduced it, and now Huawei is going big on it. A larger sensor and ability to adjust aperture means you can control the light intake and depth of field of images and video. But Xiaomi is fixed at f1.9 and 4.0, unlike the ones of Huawei. Shooting wide with f1.9 creates a shallow depth of field, and shooting f.0 will produce pleasing visuals. The quad camera array includes a 50 megapixel f1.8 ultrawide camera that utilizes Sony IMX 858 sensor with 122-degree field of view. The telephoto consists of two 50 megapixel Sony IMX 858 sensors. One is a 2.5x equivalent f3.0 telephoto camera, and one is a 120mm 5x super telephoto camera with a maximum f3.0 aperture. Leica optics has been used on Xiaomi 13 Ultra with a number of in-camera features and functions added to video and image processing. The phone has a standard package, that is the 6.73 inch 120 Hz QHD plus AMOLED screen, which is the brightest at 2600 nits. The internal consists of Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset paired with 12 or 16 GB of RAM and 256, 512 GB and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. It has 5000 mAh battery. It comes with 90 watt wired charging, 50 watt wireless charging. The charging port has now been upgraded from USB 2.0 to USB 3.2, which offers 5 GB transfer speed via USB Type-C. It comes in a black, olive green and white color with synthetic leather finish. A global launch is expected with a price of 1,300 euros, but there is no detail when it's going to come out. But the weirdest thing is the front camera, which is still a 1080p camera.